Hi, I'm Rhonda. I'm in Barefoot Beach. Our fascia was very flimsy. It was unprofessionally installed. It looked horrible. It was dented. It was just not a good job. I was actually recommended to Ryan, and immediately he followed up with me, and that was a problem that I had with every single fascia person in this market. They would say that they were coming, and they would never show up or return phone calls. The way he presented himself, the way he made sure that I knew the type of material he was going to use, the recommendation of an 8-inch instead of a 6-inch gutter with us having a hip roof, those type of things were very, very important to me, as well as him understanding our pain and our needs and our timeline. They did the job to my standards. Also, the employees are extremely professional, and that's something that I find comforting. I felt that they were trustworthy, and I was extremely pleased because we travel a lot, and when we came back, our job was done, and it was beautiful. Don't call anyone other than Ryan and 3G, period.